Hello, welcome to my channel. I learn alphabet A, B, C, G, H, I, C. Please learn with me. A for apple. B for banana. C for cat. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for ghost. H for hat. I for insect. J for joker. K for kite. L for lamb. M for monkey. N for nose. O for octopus. P for pig. Q for coin. R for rabbit. S for small. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for vase. W for water. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And last alphabet Z for zebra. Let's learn again. Please subscribe me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.